Dishoom breakfast. I ordered this Farsi omelette and masala beans, grilled mushrooms. This is bottomless masala jar. This is Farsi omelette. You get toast, you get tomatoes, 3-egg omelette, masala beans, mushrooms, and a little butter and ketchup. This is the cheese omelette. Nice and cheesy. 3 eggs. More on the cheesy side. And then you got the bread with the beans and some mushrooms. That's it. This is Canary Wharf. That's the road. Very nice area. This is a Dishoom here, restaurant, Indian restaurant. Got I don't know what that is. It's a very nice building in the water. Clean environment, apartments and just corporate buildings. This is cool. That made me feel dizzy. This is a floating restaurant, Hawksmoor. It's a steak restaurant, it says. That's a hawk? No, it's not. I don't know where I am, but it's like an Asian supermarket thing. These are radish, or we call them mooli. And then you got lychee. I think this is like pak choy. Oh, this is pak choy. This is choy sam? I don't know what that is. Okra. You eat okra too. Yeah. My next watch in the middle, Rolex Datejust with the diamonds on. These are all Datejust watches. And then these are the Submariners, I think. Sea Dweller. Pretty cool. Digital display in my new car. Getting on the tube. Bruh. Ave Maria. Venchi. Pistachio and salted caramel.
Thank you, good night.
Not take your eyes off the cube. Here we go. It's going to happen in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da!
Stop it. Get some help.
Peloton Studios. Wow, bro. This is where they do the studios, the live cycling. Pretty cool. This is Gatique. They have a cool window display. This is a Uniqlo, and look how nice it is. I like your car. This is called the Ivy. It's fancy. Wow. The Ivy. Look at this tunnel called Art Captivated by Color. Ooh.